For this project, I used a tile decal and a charger plate that I purchased from Dollar Tree. First, I cut out the center part of my decal. I removed the paper backing. Then I placed it in the center of my charger plate. I added some gems. Added some glass tube beads to the outside of my decal. And this is what it looked like when I was all finished. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you don't miss my next DIY.